The Ascent is more than ready to meet the technological demands of today's families. Keep all your devices in sync with standard Subaru STARLINK Multimedia, accessible via either a 6.5-inch or 8-inch touchscreen. Knowing connectivity would be crucial, we've added Wi-Fi. And to keep your devices charged, the Ascent can be equipped with up to 8 USB ports. There's even storage for your tablets and smartphones. For even more listening enjoyment, you can upgrade to the clear sounds of the Harman Kardon premium audio system with 14 speakers. And for added convenience, there's also keyless access with push-button start. To get you help when you need it most, Subaru STARLINK Safety and Security has you covered with features like automatic collision notification, enhanced roadside assistance, stolen vehicle recovery, and newly added remote services like remote engine start, operated via your smartphone.